as you may or may not already know, the GoPro Hero 12 comes with a built-in ability to pair with an external headset, which means you can now pair any Cardo model to this camera and not only capture your voice directly onto the video footage, but also control the camera by using some of the camera's many built-in voice commands. GoPro take a photo, GoPro start recording, GoPro end recording, all from the helmet. I'll quickly show you how to pair these two together, and then I'll show you a little workaround you can use if you'd like to capture the entire conversation of a DMC group. Start by putting the Cardo headset into mobile phone pairing mode. You should see the LED flash red and blue. And then with the camera on, go into your settings, make sure voice control is activated if you want to be able to use the camera's voice commands, and go over to the pair device section. Once you see the Cardo headset show up, just go ahead and select it. Perfect, good to go. You'll also see it in the top of the settings menu if you ever want to check that these two are connected. Now, if you have a Cardo headset that's powered by our second generation DMC and you'd like to capture the entire group's conversation, you're going to want to set things up a slightly different way. First, make sure your Cardo is in Bluetooth intercom mode, indicated by a blue flashing LED. Then start normal intercom pairing. Go back to that same menu item to pair a new device. And when you see the Cardo headset show up, go ahead and select it. When these connect, it's going to put the GoPro Hero 12 as your Rider A pairing. Switching the unit back over to DMC intercom mode will automatically reconnect you with all the members of your group. Then simply tap the intercom button 3 times, which will open the Bluetooth intercom bridge to the camera, at which point the camera is now recording the entire group. And that's it, so let's power this thing off. GoPro, turn off.